Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with a businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for Monday the 15th of April. And today we had a nice little gap down, very sideways market, and right before the 12 o'clock time frame, nice little sell-off. Today we had two trades and we pulled 8 points or 32 ticks out of the market. And the first hour was basically very boring, just watching. We saw the market gap down, it kind of chopped around, saw a little buying, but we definitely had some resistance overhead, and it definitely showed it. Our first trade, we took a short here, we took partial profit, and then it came back up and stopped us out on the rest. Then we saw a nice little sell-off. Well, when the market came back up, I decided I was going to scale into the trade. So I took partial entry here. Well, the market never came up anymore. It just started to roll over. So, we were short that one contract, and we were able to, hold it and write it down and get a pretty nice move out of it. So we were able to hold it down here. So definitely worked out very well. And it just goes to show, if you see a trade and you feel that it's going to work, take it. One contract, we didn't have that much risk on the table. If it would have gave us our other entry, it would have been great. But this is one of those times when it pays to be a little more aggressive. But even being a little more aggressive, you still have to be conscientious of your overall risk management or your risk operation. So that's kind of wanted to talk a little bit about that, and that's how you would do something like that. As it starts rolling over, you can bring your stop to break even as quickly, especially with something like this happening. These are 5-minute bars here. I don't use this chart that I'm showing you in the trading room at all. I just use it to record the videos. But seeing it roll over like this, it definitely does give you pretty good opportunity to even more so minimize your risk, and then you're just riding it for profits. And definitely worked out very well in this case. So wanted to talk about that a little bit. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. You can always leave a comment under the video if you want, or you can email me directly, support@abusinesswithtrading.com. There's no such thing as a dumb question. If you have a question, ask it. That's what I'm here for. That's what my email's here for. That's what the entire website is here for. So that way, I can, share my knowledge. And I don't know everything. So, if you have something that I'm unaware of, I can find the answer. Because trading, you're not going to know everything about trading. I guess you can relate it to fishing. Most of the time when you see a fisherman, they like to catch certain fish, maybe a bass or bluegill or perch or whatever it is. It doesn't matter. I used to fish when I was younger with my dad, so I know a little bit about fishing. But I will never know everything about fishing. And my dad, when I was younger, I looked at him like he knew everything in the world. But he didn't know everything in the world. But he knew what he liked, and he liked catching a certain fish. And trading is the same way. You trade a certain style, you trade certain setups, certain patterns, whatever you want to call it. You like certain entries, we'll put it like that. And certain exits you're going to look for over others. And it's the same way. So you're going to take that narrow focus type of approach, because that's what works. So knowing everything about trading, you don't need to know everything about trading. You don't need to know every single indicator and all this. I think most of them are, bogus anyway. But hopefully you understand what I'm talking about. You don't need to know everything to be able to be successful. You don't have to have the latest indicator, or know who created the latest indicator. They don't really help. They hinder more than they help. That's my opinion, and I know a lot of other people share that opinion too. They're all called professional traders. But I wanted to share that a little bit, talk about it. It's definitely an important point, I feel. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, got a little bit out of what I was talking about. And with that, have an awesome night, everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.